90 mm. This is 120 mm. All exterior wall is 120 mm. You can see the entire. You can see the concealing here. You can see toilets. You can see the toilet concealed. This is wash basin. So this is complete. This room is completely made by his sandwich panels. You can see this passage area. This is complete passage area is made by sandwich panels. This is a passage. So now you can see the finished thing. You can see the tiling here. So they have put the tiles here. So this is complete. The whole building is made of sandwich panels.